Alright guys, I'm back out and working on the Chevelle today. I ain't gonna work on too long. I'm gonna go over to Herb's and start working on another video for the body jig fret charger. So we can make some progress on that, but I don't want to mess around with today, and I'll get under here and show you. Don't really like how the trunk drop off fits to the outer wheel well. See if I can get you up in here. I don't like how, maybe you can see that, how it fits right up in there, that gap. So I'll probably take that out. This is actually folded up. Probably try to unfold that, shove this piece forward. I like it to butt up and be closer down here. That way when I go to weld it, it's a little bit flusher fit. But yeah, get that done, and after that we'll probably go ahead and start putting in the outer wheel well, getting it cut. Let's see if I can turn the light around. It fits up pretty good. So we'll cut just above that right there on the outside. What if I just do it with a saw? Start welding it in. We got a little bit of work to do here. Plus everything's got to be cleaned up and weld through primer and all that stuff. Then everything inside where the window regulator and the light goes, I'm going to go ahead and pour 15 all that. But yeah, I'll probably if I can get you up in here. I'll do some work in here. Close that all up, get her fitting good, but all in all it's fitting pretty nice, so we'll see what we can get done here in a little bit.
That's right, yeah, and now it's got rings and umbrellas.
guys, get you caught up. Battery died and I just kept working, plus I went over and had some other things to do for the family, but got the outer wheel well put in, just tacked in to see how the quarter fits real nice. Right, nice and tight through here, so I don't have no big gaps underneath there, nothing like that. I still have to work on that fitment there, but let me take the quarter panel off and show you guys what the outer wheel well looks like. So it's just tacked in. Don't get all carried away with it. But ain't too bad. I feel big, got a little gap to fill down there, but that ain't too bad. And that is just laying back behind it. I'll probably go ahead and just tack it on the inside, weld that up. You're never ever gonna see it, so that'd be good enough for what this car is gonna be. And I did have to, when I initially put this in, I drew a line to bring that up and go over, because there was a spot there, and I got aggressive, cut straight across, so I had to put a patch in here, went over here, and actually got a patch back behind here. I did too, so I said it's turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. I do have to do something here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me get light on it. Yeah, I just have to go in there and put a piece coming across, fill that in, grind the rest of those welds down. I didn't do when I patched the bottom of the inner wheel well. So like I said, it's fitting pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Quarter fits on nice. So I'll go ahead and get the rest of that finished up. Alright guys, where I'm at now, I got all the outer wheel well welded in. I'm not too worried about that kind of stuff on this, because you're never going to see it. And on here I went ahead and just welded the corner up, took the back, cut it off, got all that sprayed and weld through primer. The next thing to do is put the trunk drop off back in, put the quarter back on, make sure it all fits good. Then I'll probably go ahead and just get all this cleaned up and get it all in 415. So that'll probably be the next thing you see.